Hello, me again, little old me. I am coming on here to show you everything I got in my Vada blue advent calendar, which I opened over December, one a day every day for 25 days. I managed to fit it all on this beautiful platter. There is some absolutely gorgeous fibres on here. Yeah, and I also have a list of everything that I got. So I'm going to try and go through it and show you every single day. A lot of people have asked me for this, so it's coming. Now I'm going to, importantly, the first thing I'm going to say is this isn't a yarn advent calendar. I had a lot of people like, oh, what are you going to do with that? Like, you're a crochet or a knitter. Or, oh, fibre, like you're not a fibre artist. Like, I am, because I work for fibres. But my dad got me a fibre and yarn advent calendar mixed into one, so that I could experience and try out different techniques, different yarns, different fibres. And this is what I got. Okay, so let's start from 25 and we'll count. Should we count down? Screw it, we'll count down. Because then my memory should know. It's like when you play that game, I went to the supermarket and I got, and you have to remember everyone. This is like that, right? Okay. So this was day 25, which I got on Christmas Day when I was on Normanby Island. I follow May, is it Weave? Made with Weave, or Weave with Love, or something like that. And she's amazing. She always makes coil yarn like this. And I literally have been obsessing and looking at her stuff every day because of the way that it's made, and I want to try it so bad. So when I received this, I was like, God gave me a sign and I need to try it. So there's day 25. Okay, day 24 was a printed denim, which I think is somewhere in under this stuff. Ah, here it is. So it's recycled denim that has been printed with Christmassy colours, which I am going to be using for weaving. And yeah, I don't know, it's some experimenting, you know, like we learn every day. Like we're born to learn different things. So that's what I'm gonna be doing with all this stuff, which I'm very excited for, as I keep saying. Day 23 was extra fine merino mixed top. I wonder what that was then. Was it? I'm pretty sure. I thought it was this. Yeah, I think it's this. I'm going to go with this, and if it's not this, then it's not this. But yeah, look at this gorgeous, gorgeous fibre. Can you see that? The colours is just insane. I'm going to be weaving with this, and I'm actually going to be, I sent some emails around of local people in Cairns in Australia that are also fibre artists that do like spinning and stuff, because I'd love to obviously learn. So I'm going to keep these until the 20th of January on a Friday. I think that's a Friday. I hope that's a Friday. And I'm going to go and meet them with these fibres and see what we can come up with, which is going to be fun. Okay, next one is a silk chiffon in teal. So that's this. And then 5mm string bundle, sea green. That was this one here, which is for macrame. People call it macrame, I call it macrame, you know, like tomato. And this actually matches with the theme that we're going to go through in our bust conversion. So I'm going to make hopefully going to make a small wall hanging with this. Some macrame artists might be going, that's not going to make anything. If it isn't, let me know. Let me know what you think that I can make with this, if not. Okay. Chunky merino yarn. I should have watched the video beforehand, shouldn't I, to let you know. Dream or baby. So I'm pretty sure. I'm a mess. Chunky merino. I want to say it's this, but that's not. That's not merino. In dream or baby. Okay, I'm going to start from the beginning because I think I can remember the beginning one. So the first one I got was this, which is a linen sportwear yarn and it's pink. Then I got extra fine merino wool top in shell and earth, which I'm pretty sure, because I wound it up, was this beautiful baby. And yeah, it's absolutely stunning. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Then I got some felt ribbon. And then I got another ribbon. Of, I think it was this one. Because that's not focusing, is it? Oh, sorry guys. Can you see that? Is that focusing? Yeah, maybe. Okay, that one. And then I got hand-dyed merino yarn, which I'm pretty sure was this one, because that's in Christmas colours as well, like the denim. And then pink and gold cotton frizz, which I just showed you, thinking that that was. So okay, that one was not that one. The felt balls, which is here, which I think I'm going to use on macrame or something, or make like a little felt ball lanyard thing. Hand dyed silk ivory. This one. And then I got the cotton mixed ribbon, which I'm pretty sure is this one, because it's like, yeah, recycled fibres, recycled ribbon. And then there's the strings, also for macrame or whatever you please. I'm going to start putting them back on the tray now, because I'm going to be like in a yarn pool or fibre pool. Okay, and now we are back down here. Are we? Yeah. Recycled sari silk yarn is one of these two. Couldn't tell you which one, but it's one of these two. I'm pretty sure it's this one. And I love this. Like, this gives me ultimate hippie vibes. It's one or the other. Cotton frizz sage, which is this one. Hand dyed merino mauvin, this one. Which I love. I imagine that in your hair, like, so pretty. Then we have the velvet ribbon eucalyptus, which is this beautiful one here. Keep losing myself. Banana yarn festive, which was that one I just showed you. The seaweed yarn. Seaweed yarn natural. Maybe, I'm pretty sure it's this one here. It's the only natural one that I have. I could be completely wrong, but either or, I'm showing you everything of it anyway. Sorry, Sarah, I'm trying my best. My memory is shocking. Okay. Then the cotton rope twist. Oh, is that that one there that I've just shown you? Probably. And then that one's probably, okay. I'm giving up with showing you everything I've got now. I'm just showing you everything. You know, I made it to 20 and here I am now not knowing where we are, so, or what we've got. But yeah, Vada Blue is a business in South Australia. She's a small independent business. She does workshops for, I believe, macrame. I think she does spinning, or she's starting out with the spinning, and she's mainly got like an online store, and I think obviously she does her little workshops. But my dad was going to get me one from a commercial yarn company. However, I said that I would like to work with a small business, and I'm glad I did, because I'm so happy with these amazing fibres / yarns / whatever you want to call it. I literally can't wait to work with them, and I'm so excited to try out new things. So if you see anything that you love, or you see anything like, oh, actually, do you know what I would do with this? Tell me, because I'd love to hear about it. I'd love to hear what you would do with all of this stuff, and I'd love to, I don't know, like maybe do that for you and show you what I've done with it. So give me your suggestions below. If you don't follow Vada Blue, please go and give it all the love and support that you can. You don't necessarily have to buy anything, but sharing and liking, that's a lot for small businesses, so please do that. And if you can buy something, then please do, because she is a lovely lady, and her business is amazing. So yeah, thank you very much for tuning in to what I got. I don't think I'm going to be doing an advent calendar next year, because we'll be travelling around in our bus, and as I said in a previous video, my boyfriend's we haven't got enough room for your yarn. But if you want to collaborate with me and send me an advent calendar, I'm not going to say no, and I'm not going to tell my boyfriend until it arrives, and then it will have to come. But yeah, my email is attached below if you do want to work on or do any collaborations with me. I do love doing unboxing videos, and this year I am hoping to do lots of swatching videos and all the above, and anything that you guys are after. So hit the subscribe button if you want to, no pressure. And yeah, I hope you have a lovely New Year's. Bye!